You can graph linear functions the same way that you graph linear equations, y equals mx plus b. So you can always make a chart of values if you like, by plugging in numbers for x and seeing what you get out for the y coordinate. So f of 0, if you plugged in 0 for x, you would get out 5. That's your y-intercept, right? If you plugged in 1 for x, negative 3 times 1 plus 5, you would get out 2 for y, and then so on and so forth. So let's go ahead and plot those points. Here's 0, 5. Here is x is 1, y is 2. Notice you could also alternatively use the y-intercept 0, 5, and then use the slope negative 3. So let me just write that down. Y-intercept is 0, 5, and the slope is negative 3. So you could have started here and go down 3 over 1 to get the next point. And now you can connect those 2 points by a nice straight line, putting arrows on the ends, you know. All right, let's do this one. G of x equals negative 2. So you might recognize that, y equals negative 2. This is a special type of function. Let's go ahead and plot some points. If you plug in 0 for x, what's g of 0? Well, g of anything is just negative 2. Plug in 0 for x, you get out negative 2 for y. Let's go ahead and plot that point. 0, negative 2. Plug in anything else for x, say 1. Plug in negative 2 for x, or sorry, plug in 1 for x, you get out negative 2 for y. That's what the equation says. No matter what x is, g of any x is equal to negative 2. So what you get is just points along this horizontal line. Oops. All right, so then some things to note. What is your slope? The slope here is 0, and our y-intercept is 0, obviously negative 2.